Hi there guys, welcome to the special feature of the Royal Enfield Bullet 650, which I believe is far more than just a motorcycle. It is all about the pure soul of motorcycling, drenched in heritage and tradition. The Bullet represents an era when riding was not measured by lap times, horsepower figures, or digital displays, but by the simple joy of the open road and the profound connection between the rider and the machine. With its unmistakable silhouette, handcrafted character, and the iconic thumping exhaust note, the Bullet carries forward a legacy that has inspired generations of motorcyclists across the world. Every ride on the Bullet is an immersive experience. The rhythmic heartbeat of its engine, the commanding riding posture, and the unhurried manner in which it covers miles encourage riders to slow down and absolutely savor the journey. It is a motorcycle that invites exploration, whether through bustling city streets, winding countryside roads, or endless highways stretching toward the horizon. Rather than chasing speed, the Bullet celebrates the romance of travel, the beauty of simplicity, and the timeless thrill of discovering what lies beyond the next bend. Rooted in rich history that spans generations, the Bullet has become a symbol of freedom, resilience, and authenticity. Hi there, guys. Welcome to Dino's Vault. There is only one Michael Jackson, there is only one Sachin Tendulkar, and there is only one Bullet. The bike that absolutely is timeless and ageless and is an immortal machine has been resurrected in the most powerful manner by Royal Enfield, donning the 650 avatar. So this is the Bullet 650 that most of the fanboys have been hoping for and craving for. And today we got to know more about what they have offered in the flesh. So guys, let's take a look at the design itself. It's the simple design, simple immortal design that absolutely comes across as a immortal or a Mona Lisa painting. It's like a royal painting. It's like a Picasso painting. It's like a Whitney Houston melody. It's like a Celine Dion power ballad. That's how beautifully crafted this machine is. And even 10 years down the line, this bike will be equally desired upon by motorists and motorcycle enthusiasts all across the world. Take a look at the design of the headlamp. It's the LED headlamp has a similar kind of layout like that of the Interceptor and the GT and maybe the Bear 650. It has the Royal Enfield badging imbibed into it. You have regular turn blinkers to carry that retro look. You have telescopic forks, massive telescopic forks to offer plush ride quality, and you have 18-inch wheels, I believe. Maybe let's see. This is MRF Nilo grip, and I believe this might be 19-inch front and 18-inch rear. Yeah, this is 18-inch at the back, 140 section, super fat tire to give you good road grip. And look at the attention to detail. The kind of finish they have given to the rims talks about the meticulous craftsmanship that Royal Enfield machines have been known for. And the hand painted stripes, I believe this stripe that you see here is hand painted. And then of course the Royal Enfield branding in gold, pure gold, talks about the immortal nature of this machine. Again, you have the tried and tested 650cc parallel twin, borrowed from the 650 twins that actually absolutely changed the game here in our Indian market. 47 PS and around 52.3 Newton meters of torque, 6-speed gearbox, and that is another timeless engine matched with a timeless beauty is absolutely eternal in terms of enthusiastic delight. And then of course the seat is the similar seat layout like the Bullet 350. So here is the standard Dino's Vault seat height test. So you can see the seat height is not too much. I can still put my feet down planted on the ground on both sides, and just slight adjustment and I can flat foot here, and adequate amount of ground clearance. It's not too low either, and a good amount of tank volume, and ergonomics are very well sorted for relaxed riding. Bullet has always been, Sina Than ke chalao kind of a vehicle. So it take pride, feels like you're riding the king of the road. So that is the kind of seating posture, very relaxed. If you want to go road touring on this, you won't feel fatigued even after a whole day's ride. So handlebar positioning is well sorted, so is the seat, is well cushioned, and the foot pegs are well aligned forward such that you have a very relaxed sitting posture without putting too much pressure on your lower back. Even the tank has adequate tank volume. Here you have the Royal Enfield classic kind of logo imbibed onto the tank right over here. Royal Enfield badging imbibed onto the handlebar yoke right over here. You also have part digital, part analog cluster, digital readout offering the fuel gauge and the trip meters and the odometer. And then of course chrome treatment for the switchgear. This also is a touch of class and elegance, highlighting the premium factor of this is a collector's item. 100%, make no mistake about it, this is a collector's motorcycle that will be rejoiced even 10 years down the line. Adjustable levers again being offered, so the classic vintage retro motorcycle gets modern touches with dual channel ABS, good equipment all around to offer good ride quality and good braking performance. You have massive disc rotor up front, and again largest disc brake at the back in the market, and the beautiful tailpipe, the exhaust pipe is again so flawless in terms of design. And then of course the tail lamp has a signature classic kind of a tail lamp unit. The dual exhaust is another signature design element that is going to stand out, and when you ride it you just feel like king of the road, and that is what sets this machine apart from the rest. So that's pretty much it. This is the overview. You have adequate amount of travel, suspension travel, you have great equipment, good telescopic forks up front, twin shock absorbers at the back, and tried and tested super refined parallel twin that is going to last you a lifetime. So you can just keep looking at it, and we have perfect weather, overcast weather right here in Hyderabad, and here you have the radiator. So overall, look at the way they've built the engine. The engine casing is so flawless, so beautifully done, and it's super refined to the core to give you limitless miles with a wide open broad smile on your face as you munch miles on this timeless eternal machine that is here to celebrate the true spirit and true essence of motorcycling, the raw soul of motorcycling. And that has always been the case with every Royal Enfield motorcycle. They have kept the motorcycling culture raw and kept the true soul of motorcycling spirit alive, and we're so glad we have brands like Royal Enfield sticking to what they believe in and not trying to mimic someone else, and that is what sets this beast apart from the rest. So I'm sure you loved watching this walk around. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. I'll be back with more action right here at Dino's Vault.